Hi loves, welcome to my channel. I am Oluwatosin O. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a simple everyday makeup look, so stay tuned. The first thing you want to do is to cover any dark spots on your face, and for this I use the LA Girl Orange Corrector Concealer. Then I go in with my foundation. I start applying my foundation directly on top of where I applied the orange corrector. Then I apply to other areas on my face, and then I blend them together. You have to make sure that you blend your foundation properly. Take your time to blend it well. You may not blend your foundation properly the first time, but with continuous practice, you're going to perfect how to blend it very well. After I'm done blending my foundation, I then draw my eyebrows. To draw my eyebrows, I use the Davis eye pencil. I think this is color 3. There are other brown colors of Davis eye pencil like color 18. But I particularly prefer color 3 because it's deeper, it's like the deeper brown than the other Davis eye pencil. After drawing my eyebrows, I outline them with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is shade Fawn. Take your time here as well to outline your eyebrows so that you make sure it's smooth and nice. Next, I highlight my face, and to highlight my face I use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn that I used to contour my face. I use the same concealer to highlight my face as well. The places you have to highlight are under your eyelashes, under your lips, on top of your lips, and under your cheeks. Then you have to blend them into your foundation. I don't put a lot of concealer under my eyes. What I usually do is I just try to blend them, or let's say spread them while blending them under my eyes. You shouldn't put a lot of product. What you should try to do is just spread them while blending them on your face. You can also blend other areas and try to spread them to other areas on your face, just like you see me do in this video. After highlighting, I contour my face, and to contour my face I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. The places you have to contour are your cheekbones, the side of your nose bridge, and your forehead. To blend my contour, I prefer to use a sponge blender. Right now my sponge blender is very hard, and I spray some water into it to make it soft enough to blend my contour very well. And sometimes your sponge blender can get hard. After applying the liquid contour, I apply a powder contour on the areas I apply the liquid contour. I also apply powder contour on my eyelids to give a more natural look. Next, I apply setting powder on the areas I highlighted. I'm not going to set my face because it's a simple makeup look. I'm just going to apply the setting powder to the areas I highlighted. And I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder for this. Well, make sure you apply enough of the setting powder to make sure that your face is well highlighted. And I'm also powdering my eyebrows to prevent them from looking shiny or to just give it a more natural. I love this part of the makeup after I've highlighted and contoured. It's just the glam of its own. Next is the lips. I like to outline my lips because it suits me better. To outline your lips, you start by drawing a V from the center of your upper lips and then drag it into the corner of your lips. Make sure it's well blended, like don't just draw a straight line there. And line your lower lips as well. I'll be applying a nude lipstick. I'll be blending the lipstick together with the lip liner. And then go back with the lip liner to blend them together. After blending them together, then I apply some lip gloss on my lips. It's time for the eyes. I'm going to be lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. And I must confess, the eyes is my least favorite when it comes to makeup. I can't line my lower eyes with an eyeliner because it ends up smearing. So what I do is I line my lower eyes with a black eye pencil, and this is how I do it. I use the eye pencil to also line my beauty spots. I love my beauty spots. I apply some mascara and then fix my eyelashes. For finishing, I highlight the bridge of my nose. I use the Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. Make sure to blend this part very well as well so that it doesn't just stick out on your nose. I'll be applying blush now. And for blush, there are so many pink shades on my eyeshadow, so I just go in with any one that I feel like using at the moment. After which I add some highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones and at the corner of my eyebrows. I didn't fix my eyelashes here, but I have a video on how to fix your eyelashes on my channel, so make sure you check it out too. I secure my lashes with an eyelash curler. Oh my god, I can't pronounce curler. My makeup is done, and this is my simple everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed filming it as well. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below as well, and share this video. Thanks for watching.